Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Jennifer.
Come join us
on our epic
RV
adventures. Come on!
In last week's episode, we explored the geological wonders and waterfalls of Yellowstone National Park. This week, we are traveling just a short distance south to Grand Teton National Park. Join us as we explore the majesty and grandeur of the Teton Mountains and the surrounding areas. Also, see one of the most breathtaking vantage points to boondock at, overlooking the Teton Mountains, and it's amazingly free. Come along with us as we explore the Grand Teton National Park. This is Toppings Lake Road Dispersed Camping Area in Brigger Teton National Forest, where you can stay 5 nights for free. If you plan on staying there, be sure to get there early because all the sites will become sparse after 5 p.m.
Can't beat this. Free boondocking with a view. So majestic. Teton Mountains. So beautiful.
Good morning.
It's a bit early at 5 a.m. We're heading to go see if we can spot some moose at Schwabacher Landing. A park ranger told us it is a scenic location for viewing the mountains and wildlife. The shallow water is crystal clear, and on a calm morning, it will reflect the Teton mountain range.
That view makes it worth waking up this early.
Let's stop here first and enjoy this gorgeous view of the sunrise. Schwabacher's Landing is one of the prime photo spots in Grand Teton National Park. The reflection of the Teton Mountains in the still, flat water of the Snake River is majestic. The abundance of fresh water from the Snake River and the flatland grasses make this a great place to do some wildlife watching. It sure was pretty, but we still didn't see any moose yet. The first settlers in this area arrived in the 1890s from Idaho and established a community known today as Mormon Row. There are 2 picturesque barns here that highlight Mormon Row. With the Teton Range as the background, the barn of John Moulton's has become an iconic historic structure for many visitors and photographers. Since we are already out this way, let's take a ride through the town of Jackson Hole. Jackson's Town Square, formerly named George Washington Memorial Park, is the heart of the community. As you can see, coming up on the left, each corner hosts arches made from elk antlers collected from the nearby elk refuge. All right, this is what we came for. Grand Teton National Park.
Sitting here waiting to get into Grand Teton National Park. We've been here a few days, been boondocking up in the national forest. Really lovely views.
Welcome to Grand Teton National Park.
Well, here we are at the first turnout. Windy Point turnout. I think it's pretty. So, Mike, we're heading to Jenny Lake, you say?
Jenny Lake.
Is there any hikes or anything we're doing there?
I hadn't planned any there, but can if you want.
All right, we'll see what happens at Jenny Lake, people. I'm telling you what, that view right there, it's amazing.
You can see in this view the South, Middle, and Grand Teton Mountains, amongst others.
So here we are at Teton Glacier Turnout.
Wow, just look at these mountains. There's something different about them that distinguishes them from others. When I look at them, I get a real sense of their majesty and grandeur.
So here we are on Jenny Lake Road. Just took the left. So pretty.
Wow, look at that, will you? It's such a fantastic view. I can't get over how striking the views are around here. Look at that glacier.
I know, that's gorgeous. We're entering the Jenny Lake Scenic Drive. So here we are at Jenny Lake Overlook. It's really pretty. The water is crystal clear down below. It's gonna show y'all in a minute. Let's see, there's supposed to be a bear up here in the tree. Oh, there he is. A little further up, baby.
Come up here by me.
Thank you.
Unobstructed view right here.
Yes, you're amazing.
There you go.
Oh my goodness, how cute.
Right there.
Ah.
Well, that was pretty cool, seeing a bear sleeping in a tree. Here's a different view of Jenny Lake. This is Mountain View Turnout. To the left, you can see Mount St. John, and on the right, Mount Moran. This turnout is an iconic and unique venue for small weddings in Grand Teton National Park. Sweeping mountain views surround this expansive 15-mile-long, 7-mile-wide Jackson Lake, making it a favorite spot for peaceful, laid-back moments by the water, where we chose to eat our lunch.
This window wash is brought to you by Mike, where he makes sure that you have the cleanest views so you can see everything.
How's the view, baby? Did I miss a spot?
The Jackson Lake Dam and Reservoir. Wow. We just ate over there. How pretty. So I didn't know we actually drove over it, so this is new for me because I've never done it. How about you, Mike?
New, it's all new.
Hey, I just want to show you the view. That's the view from my kitchen window, dinette.
The river knows the way it bends. saw secrets held, it never sends.
Oxbow Bend is home to a variety of birds and animals, including pelicans, great blue herons, muskrats, otters, moose, and bear. On calm days, Mount Moran can be seen reflected on the surface of the Snake River. Oxbow Bend is a popular area to view sunrise and sunset and is visited by photographers hoping to capture the river and the Teton Range.
A stone it keeps, a whisper lends. Oh, the river knows. Oh, the river flows. It carries what it never shows.
Mike, I don't know about you, but I kind of feel like that bear in the tree earlier. Since we got up at 5:30 this morning.
You ready to take a nap in a tree?
I'm ready to go take a nap.
Join us on our journey next week as we make our way towards Du Bois, Wyoming. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you next week.